Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope y'all are having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a swipe and I am going to be working on a canvas I had previously used. And I have my metallic paints right here. I'm just going to go ahead and jump in. All of my paints are going to be in the description, all the brands and the colors. And I do have them all mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And I'm going to be swiping today with my black cell activator. I have had quite a bit of good luck with it. And the way that I mix that is 1 teaspoon of Amsterdam lamp black with 3 tablespoons of Floetrol, a little tiny bit of water, and then about 4 drops of pre-stain wood conditioner. It's been working very well for me, so I'm going to try it again today, and I'm hoping to get some awesome results. I love metallics, so of course I want to try them with the black cell activator. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of this video and the music, but before I go, I just wanted to say to those of you that are new, I hope you consider subscribing, and to those of you that already subscribed, I do appreciate your support. All right, with that being said, I'm going to let you go and I'll be back in a jiff. All right, so here are some wet photos for you. I am in love with this painting. I think it is gorgeous. I love the metallics, the bronze and copper, gold. They look amazing. They reacted very well with the black cell activator. Super happy with my results. You can see that I moved it around. I wanted to give it a little movement. The composition of this piece is just amazing. I love it. So I'm hoping that it dries just as nice. And you're in luck. Here's the dried photos. And look at that. It looks awesome. I love the colors. It is so bright and shiny. Just gorgeous. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. So leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone you think may enjoy it. I do have a bunch of other videos that I know you will enjoy as well. So click the link on the left and I'll catch you in the next one.